Ori, the divine guide of destiny in the sacred Odu IFA. Ori is the most personal and powerful Òrìṣà, representing one's destiny, divine consciousness, and inner guidance. He is the unseen force that shapes human fate, whispering the paths of wisdom and self-realization. More than an Òrìṣà, Ori is the divine spark within each individual, the essence of destiny itself. He is the one who walks with us from birth to death, ensuring that we fulfill the sacred path chosen before coming into the world. As the silent witness of all things, Ori is present in the 16 Òrúnmìlà, revealing his role as the architect of destiny, the keeper of personal alignment, and the ultimate source of spiritual power. He teaches that knowing oneself is the greatest key to success, and that no force, not even other Òrìṣà, can override the decree of Ori. Ori in the 16 Òrúnmìlà. Egúngún, the light of self-knowledge. In Egúngún, Ori shines as the purest manifestation of divine wisdom. He teaches that those who cultivate self-awareness and honor their divine consciousness will attract prosperity and harmony. Myths recount how Ori guided the first beings to choose their destinies before Olodumare, proving that clarity and purpose are the foundation of a successful life. Òrúnmìlà, the journey of transformation. In Òrúnmìlà, Ori governs the cycles of death and rebirth, teaching that transformation is necessary for growth. Myths tell of a soul who rejected its destiny, only to return and choose again, learning that true fulfillment lies in accepting one's chosen path. Here, Ori reminds us that even when all seems lost, the way forward is always within. Òrúnmìlà, the whisper of the ancestors. In Òrúnmìlà, Ori reveals the power of ancestral wisdom. Myths describe how those who listen to the inner voice of Ori find success, while those who ignore it fall into misfortune. He teaches that by honoring our roots, we gain access to hidden knowledge that guides us toward fulfillment. Òrúnmìlà, the test of patience. In Òrúnmìlà, Ori governs perseverance and inner strength. Myths tell of a traveler who rushed to his destination and missed his blessings, while another, guided by patience, found abundance. Here, Ori reminds us that everything happens at its appointed time, and that patience is the key to unlocking destiny. Òrúnmìlà, the connection to the higher self. In Òrúnmìlà, Ori bridges the gap between the physical and spiritual realms. He teaches that through prayer, meditation, and alignment with one's destiny, a person can manifest their highest potential. Myths recount how a man who doubted his path sought an IFA priest, only to realize that his Ori had been guiding him all along. Òrúnmìlà, the power of choice. In Òrúnmìlà, Ori emphasizes the importance of free will. He teaches that every decision shapes destiny, and that those who honor their divine path will experience abundance. Myths describe how a man who ignored his Ori suffered greatly, while another who listened to its guidance prospered beyond expectation. Òrúnmìlà, the road to prosperity. In Òrúnmìlà, Ori is the giver of wealth, not only in material riches but also in wisdom and fulfillment. Myths tell of a king who honored his Ori and ruled with fairness, ensuring the prosperity of his people. Here, Ori teaches that true abundance flows to those who walk in alignment with their destiny. Òrúnmìlà, the guide through adversity. In Òrúnmìlà, Ori teaches that challenges are not punishments but opportunities for growth. Myths describe a warrior who faced many trials, only to realize that his Ori had prepared him for greatness. Here, Ori reminds us that difficulties refine our spirit and bring us closer to our highest self. Òrúnmìlà, the pathfinder. In Òrúnmìlà, Ori is the force that clears obstacles and opens doors. Myths tell of a blacksmith who called upon his Ori before striking metal, ensuring that each blow shaped his destiny. Here, Ori teaches that those who trust their divine consciousness will always find a way forward. Òrìṣà, the seer of truth. In Òrìṣà, Ori reveals the hidden truths of existence. he teaches that those who seek clarity must first look within. Myths describe how a man consulted Orunmila for guidance, only to be told that the answers he sought were already within him. Here, Ori reminds us that self-awareness is the greatest wisdom. Ika Meji, the protector of destiny. In Ika Meji, Ori acts as the shield against misfortune. Myths recount how a man who honored his Ori avoided a deadly trap, while another who neglected it fell into ruin. Here, Ori teaches that protection comes from honoring one's divine consciousness. Otorupan Meji, the architect of fate. In Otorupan Meji, Ori is the master of destiny's blueprint. Myths tell of a builder who consulted his Ori before constructing his home, ensuring stability and success. Here, Ori teaches that those who carefully align with their fate will see their dreams materialize. Otora Meji, the keeper of spiritual contracts. In Otora Meji, Ori governs the sacred agreements made before birth. Myths recount how souls negotiate their destinies in Oren, choosing lessons that shape their earthly experiences. Here, Ori reminds us that our struggles and victories are part of a greater plan. Irate Meji, the guardian of balance. In Irate Meji, Ori ensures that one's life remains in harmony. Myths describe how a merchant who listened to his Ori found fortune, while another who ignored it lost everything. Here, Ori teaches that inner balance creates external success. Oze Meji, the bringer of alignment. In Oze Meji, Ori governs spiritual purification and alignment. Myths tell of a priest who performed rituals to realign a lost soul with their destiny, restoring peace and purpose. Here, Ori teaches that periodic cleansing and realignment keep one's path clear. Ofun Meji, the eternal light of destiny. In Ofun Meji, Ori embodies the eternal nature of consciousness and destiny. Myths recount how Ori existed before time itself, guiding all beings toward their ultimate evolution. Here, Ori teaches that trusting in one's divine path leads to fulfillment beyond this lifetime. The teachings of Ori. Across all 16 Odu Meji, Ori teaches that self-knowledge, patience, and trust in one's own destiny are the greatest tools for success. Ori does not deceive, nor does he abandon. He simply waits for us to listen. His lesson is clear. Your destiny is yours alone, and no one, not even the Orishas, can claim it for you. Those who honor Ori will walk a path of greatness, for the head that chooses wisely will always find its crown.